Hi, in this video we are going to see the mega universities recruitment notifications, and I am going to show you the advertisements from the 12 different colleges with nearly 50 plus subjects, and out of this 12, 7 are from the universities and the remaining 5 colleges are the state university affiliated colleges. And the candidates who are having the UG, PG or UGSNet or the PhD, so for all the different candidates here the multiple vacancies are covered, so it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the assistant professor, lecturer or else the non-teaching vacancies notifications, and there is no application fee and no examination for the selection procedure. So for most of the colleges here only the selection will be done based upon the interview. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones, you need to subscribe this channel and then tap the bell icon. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending the lot of recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, it is a very big announcement and the good news to the UGSNet candidates who are preparing for the examination, which is going to be start from this, in this month, October 17th onwards. So here I'm conducting the free online live classes, guys. Okay, even though if you miss the live classes, you can go to the recorded one also. For the general paper one, that is the teaching and research aptitude in English, okay, daily evening 5:30, and while coming to the paper 2 electronic science, daily at the afternoon 3 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there, I kept one link in the description box of this video, that is a Telegram group link. So please join in that group link, then you will get the regular updates regarding this free UGSNet online live classes from the Unacademy side. Coming to the present content of the video, so here the first university that we are going to see is Kazi Nazrul University. So from this one here, the advertisement for the recruitment of assistant professor contractual in the Department of Business Administration, and here the notification is also kept here that you may check down. In the field of finance or financial management with requisite qualifications as per the UGC norms in the Department of Business Administration. So eligibility as per the UGC guidelines and essential qualifications is MBA in the finance or the financial management. So no need of the UGSNet or the PhD here. The candidate should submit their applications along with the curriculum vitae and testimonials through email within the 15 days from the date of the advertisement. And the mail ID you may check down here, the register@knu.ac.in. Okay, and the CC is also given here, lalit.joshi@knu.ac.in, and the few more mail IDs are also provided, so you may check down, guys. And interview related information will be communicated to the candidates in their email IDs given in the curriculum vitae. Okay, and I will provide this link in the description box of this video, so you may check down to get the accurate and the more details. And coming to the next one is Department of Special Education, SNDT Women's University from Mumbai, and the position vacants are there. Candidates meeting the following eligibility criteria as per the RCI can apply for this one: Masters in Special Education or MEd General Education with not less than 55% of marks, and Masters in any subject area with not less than 50% of marks. PhD or MPhil in Special Education or Education with research emphasis on Special Education is desirable qualification, and the RCA registered professional with CRR number. Salary as per the Maharashtra government and experience for a period of 2 years and above would be desirable. The last date for the submission of application form with biodata and the relevant documents is 15th October 2021, and the interested candidates may email your applications to the spedsndt@gmail.com, and the date of interview is on October 20th 2021. And here the email ID is also provided, so you may check down, guys. Okay, and the address is also provided. And coming to the next one is IRMA, advertisement for the faculty positions of assistant professor. So finance, accounting, costing and economics. So coming to the social sciences, sociology, anthropology, development studies with an expertise in either general studies, public health or education, IT and systems. And coming to the marketing, advertising and sales, promotions and business to business, and the strategic management is also given here. So expectation from the selected candidates, so teaching in different programs as per the norms for institute. Okay, and the minimum qualification PhD or the equivalent degree with first class, and the designations are mentioned here. The assistant professor, okay, experience PhD first class or equivalent a post PhD experience is also mentioned, And the compensation is also provided here. Assistant professor level 1 with less than 3 years, and level 2 at least 3 years or more relevant experience, and the pay scales are also mentioned here, so you may check down. And the last date for the submit of online application form is 6th November 2021. And here the few more details are also provided here, so I will provide this website link in the description box of this video, so you please check down, guys. But for this one, the PhD is the mandatory. And coming to the next one, it is Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad University, West Bengal. So from this one, here we got the recruitment notification for the visiting faculty for the School of Management Sciences, and the qualification PhD is desirable, it's not essential, but master's degree in social science, humanities, management in the relevant areas, and the specializations and experience are also mentioned here, so you please check down here, guys. Okay, and how to apply means your application must refer to this advertisement, so candidates are requested to send their CV with a covering letter addressed to the Register Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad University of Technology to the provided email address here with the following subject line: application for visiting faculty position in the School of Management Sciences. And here the official website is also given here. And the last date for the receipt of application is 16th October 2021. If you are interested in this one, you may visit the official website of this college. Anyhow, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. And coming to the next one is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Netaji Subhash University of Technology. So from this one also here we got the recruitment notification for the guest faculties. So eligibility: bachelor's degree in any discipline and a master's degree in the business administration or PGDM. And the name of the subjects are given here: business mathematics, management process and organization behavior, quantitative techniques, regulatory aspects of startups and principle of microeconomics and principle of marketing, research methodology and IPR, financial accounting, financial reporting, statements and analysis, innovation technology management, opportunities mapping, idea and sectors, and marketing research and analysis for entrepreneurs. And the tentative remuneration is 1750 to 2750 per hour. Okay, as per the NSUT rules, and 500 to 800 rupees per visit will also be payable as conveyance. Fine. And whoever the interested candidates are there, the candidates are required to send a copy of their most recent resume, including identification details, email ID, mobile number, educational qualifications, mentioning the percentage of age, experience and supporting documents in single PDF to this provided mail ID with the subject line application for the guest faculty. And the last date is 12th October 2021. Okay, and I will provide this. It is, you must search out this one in the official website of this university, guys. And coming to the next one is Madurai Kamaraj University Evening College. So in this one here we got the guest lecturers recruitment notification. Coming to the in the departments of guest lecturers for any subjects depend upon the decision of the authorities of Madurai Kamaraj University, and the engagement of guest lecturers is purely temporary for 1 academic year. Okay, and here my check down: the Madurai Kamaraj University Evening College is inviting resume from the eligible outside talents and retired teachers to handle the classes for UG PG course as mentioned in the following tables. And the eligible teachers who are already working in colleges or universities or qualified unemployed are requested to send their resume either by email to this one or else by post to the director Madurai Kamaraj University Evening College. Fine. And on or before 22nd October 2021. Okay, so there is a walk-in interview, and while going to the walk-in interview, the candidates has to bring the original certificates for verification purpose. All these things. Okay, all these things means even though if you don't have the PhD, it is not required. Fine. So the number of guest lecturers on the hourly basis for the subjects commerce, mathematics and English. Okay, the number of vacancies are mentioned here that you may check down, and I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. Coming to the next college is the JNN Institute of Engineering. So it requires a head placement and training, professor, associate and assistant professor in the CSC, ECE, biomedical, MBA, physics, chemistry, English and maths, and qualification PG or PhD or NET or SLET. Okay, system admin and floor in charge also required. The interested candidates may send your resume and photo within 5 days to this provided mail ID. And coming to the next college is wanted for college in Tirupati accounts officer as well as a junior lecturer for CA. Inter, single or both groups qualified candidates, and the receptionist also required. Free accommodation is provided. Fine. And whoever the candidates interested in this one belongs to CA, you may contact to the number 93981 31416. 93981 31416. Okay. And coming to the next college is a New Prince, Shri Bhavani College of Engineering and Technology. So it wants the assistant professor. Qualification is ME or MTech in the department of CSC or else the IT, and associate professor is also required. Qualification is PhD, and the interested candidates may send your resume to the npsb principal@gmail.com. And while coming to next one is Rajiv Gandhi College of Engineering requires assistant professor for departments of petroleum, auto, mechanical, BME, ECE, CSC, EEE and H&S, and accounts assistant and drivers required. So qualification for faculty, PhD or ME or MTech or PG for H&S. Immediate requirement of the recruitment is there, and apply to the secretary, Rajiv Gandhi College of Engineering Administrative Office. And the contact numbers as well as all the details are provided here, so you may check down. And coming to the resume that you need to send is that gresrgce@gmail.com. Okay, and here the mobile number is also provided. If you are having any queries in this one, you may contact that number. And coming to the next one is Seth Banasri Das College of Education, Kurukshetra, NCT approved. It requires assistant professor lecturers for B.Ed, D.Ed respectively. So education 3, pedagogical subjects, that is science 2, maths 2, social science 2, language 2, health and physical education, performing arts, music, dance, theatre, fine arts, DEI ed, and perspectives in education, science, humanities and social sciences, mathematics, languages, fine arts, performing arts, health and physical education. Eligibility as per the UGC or NCT norms, and whoever the interest are there, you may send your resume or else send your application with attested certificates within 10 days to Dean of Colleges, KUK and College Office. Here the email ID is also provided, sbdcekkrl@gmail.com. Fine. So total these are the different colleges recruitment notifications, guys. So please share this one to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notifications, then definitely I will come up in. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as an immediate notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may close this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay,